Hi everyone, if you are new here, my name is Claire and I do jewellery tutorials ideal for complete jewellery beginners. I do have a website, Low Cost Craft Supplies, which I will link below for you. And on the website you'll find handmade jewellery, craft and jewellery supplies. It seems ages since I last made a video. This is my busiest time of year now. Lots of people are buying Halloween and Christmas stock. There's not enough hours in the day. Good news, I reached the first stage of the YouTube partner program, which is what I wanted. This allows me to share links of my products as I talk about them. So I've been trying to sort all of that out. At the moment, I have about 3,000 products, but only 40 have transferred over. So I need to look into that. But that was what I really wanted to do. So thank you for watching my videos and for commenting, subscribing to the channel. If you're watching now and you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button. I've got lots of tutorials available, ideal for the complete jewellery beginner. So today I thought we would do something festive. I thought I would make some bookmarks. Now, I was hoping I would be able to link the products to you as I'm talking, but they've not transferred. But also a lot of the products have sold out before I've even done this video. So let me show you how to make some bookmarks. So these are the lovely bookmarks. I think they're so cute, so easy to make. And there's different charms I put on. I've used a 4mm glass bicone bead, a 6mm red bead. I've got two 4mm gold jump rings. This is an eye pin. It's got a loop on the bottom and I'm going to make a loop on the top and I'll show you how. So these are the bookmarks. These are lovely. Got a pretty pattern, floral on each side. Nice and strong. These are the charms. They are so beautiful. I've already sold out of them, but I should have more come in tomorrow or Tuesday. And what I've done, the little pearl, the pearl that sits in the center, I have removed because I never feel that they are strong enough. So I've taken the pearl off just with a pair of pliers, come out very easily. And then I've taken some glue. This is the glue that I've used. I just put a dab in the middle and then I set the pearl back on top and I've let it dry. It's been drying for about an hour and it's nice and solid now. I just always worry that they will come out. That's me just being extra careful. These are gold enamel charms. So I've used a Santa Christmas tree. That's got a little diamante on top. These are the golden bells. This says Noel. And this is the one that I'm going to make today. Now tool wise, I've got two pairs of pliers for the jump rings. This is an eye pin. I think this one's 14mm. Let's check. No, it's actually 50mm. These are round nose pliers and they are for making bends and loops in wire, and I've got videos showing you how to do loops if you want to take a look. Take my eye pin and I'm going to I put the red bead, green bead, and then what we need to do now is to make a loop on the top. If you're new to making loops, measure about 1 centimetre and then snip the end off. I've done them so many times, I'm quite used to making them. And then you snip the end off. So you're left with this. Then I'm going to take my pliers and I'm going to bend 90 degrees. So that's what we have. And you can see that's where the loop is at the bottom. I then take the round nose pliers and I pop those on the end. Now it's not a very big loop on the end, so I want to try and make the same size. So make sure there's nothing sticking out the back, and then I will hold this and then turn with my wrist this way to make the loop. Take your pliers out and bend again. You just take a look at that, but you can see they're not level, and there's also a slight gap here. I'm hoping you can see. So I'm just going to pop these back in, and I'm going to make another little bend. There's no gap, but they're not level, and we need to make them level. So I just take my pliers and I'm going to twist. And there's our loop. So I take my pliers, so I'm going to take a jump ring. Split is at the top. Take another pair of pliers and bend to open, and then we're going to take the loop and pop that on our jump ring. Then I'm going to thread it through the top of a bookmark and then close. So we take the other side and then close. Make sure there's no gaps because you don't want it falling off. There's no gaps at all. Then we take another jump ring, open the jump ring, and then I'm going to take this gorgeous charm. My favourite charm this is. I absolutely love them. They all make lovely earrings as well. Pendant necklace. So I'll take the jump ring, thread it through the charm, then thread it through this loop here at the bottom, and then close. So make sure there's no gaps. Somebody that loves to read books around the Christmas table as a little gift. So I do hope you like this video. Please leave a comment down below. It really helps the algorithm share my video to other people. So thank you for watching. Take care and happy crafting.